Hello and welcome to Prestige Worldwide. Up for review today, we've got an unboxing of the Springfield Armory XD Mod 3 9mm. This is the Sportsman's Warehouse exclusive version that has the green frame, and this is a new model. It was just released about right around near the beginning of this year in 2025. Couple of differences from the old Springfield XD, which I have right here. This one, this original service model XD9, and both are clear and no mag. You can see straight through, clear and empty. And this one as well is clear. Drop the mag, empty mag, and clear. So both are empty. These are very similar, and yes, why have two? A couple of reasons. This one is optics ready. You can actually buy different adapter plates from Springfield Armory. It comes with one plate. I think it's the RMSC. Let's see what we've got here. Might be in this pouch. Well, supposedly it's supposed to come with a plate, but I don't see a plate in this box. So I may need to check on that and see if they owe me a plate, or maybe I just mail in something and then they send me a plate? Do I get a free plate? Business reply. I'll figure it out somehow. The guys at Sportsman's Warehouse were super nice. So this was actually on sale for $285, and heck of a deal. So with tax, it was basically right at $300. The experience that I have with the first XD9 service model is excellent. I've got about 1,000 rounds through it, and one thing I don't like is that the sights are hard to adjust. These dovetail sights, you can see how it's kind of marred up there because I tried to adjust it. I don't have like an official tool to adjust the sights. You can see how it's kind of marred up. It actually, anyways, pistol is hard to master. It actually shoots pretty true at like, when I reach out to 50 yards or something like that. But close in, I tend to be shooting left a little bit. So, and the way these sights are set up, it actually shows that the rear sight is moved over to the left slightly. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'd like the Mod 3 model because it has a red fiber optic front sight there. I'm not sure if they are much different. I guess it is slightly different, although pretty much the same type of dovetail metal sight type deal. You get the same grip safety. I think the beaver tail might be a little more pronounced in the Mod 3 version, although I'm not really seeing much difference there. You do get like a little nub, an extra nub on the grip safety for the Mod 3. So it kind of, now I don't even really notice the grip safety. Like when I first got this XD 9 service model, I didn't like the fact that it has a grip safety, but in using it, it's never been a problem, except like occasionally when I'm like cleaning it or something, I want to lock it back and I'm like, why won't it go back? You need that pushed in order for the slide to go back. So like only during like non-actual firing, like when you're at the range and you want to use it, it'll work. There's never been a time in 1,000 rounds that I tried to fire this thing and then this stopped me from actually firing it. So not a big deal to have this. And also, if it's like a nightstand gun or something like that, if you're just fumbling through the drawer, you don't want to accidentally pull the trigger. So like really this makes sure that it's in your hand and you're pushing here and then pulling the trigger. So not a bad thing all in all. Would I prefer to have no safety back here? Yes, I would. That is correct. I would prefer to have no safety back here, just like a Glock, and only have a trigger safety. So speaking of the trigger, it's actually a nice clean break on the new Mod 3. It's still like a little mushy, just a little. But obviously this one's not even broken in. Don't even have, I just got back from the store, so not even broken in, but it's got a nice wall. This one is way mushier. Okay, so like this one, there's like take up. It's almost a 2-stage where you get like take up, maybe like 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds of take up. And there's like a little bit of a wall, and then it's mush, kind of a rolling break there. So you have take up, mush, and then a break. This one, it's a little bit of take up, really no mush. There's the wall, break. A really nice wall. You know, the more, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice trigger. So this one may not get much love after I go to the range. So I'll probably give this thing a good thorough cleaning, get some CLP, get some Tetra grease on it. Well, first go through it with some hops, get all the factory stuff. You know, I don't want to take it apart on camera. I don't want to violate any of the YouTube terms of service, community guidelines, and stuff like that. But it's not that difficult. These are actually pretty intuitive, very similar to a Glock, to take it down, field strip it, and clean it. I think it has a 4-inch, pretty sure it's a 4-inch barrel. What else is different? So it also has this little, let's see, what is this? This means it's the trigger's cocked, so you get a little nub. It's kind of cool. It's good to have something, better than nothing, I suppose. I do like the green handle. It's got like a grippier grip zone compared to the original. And I do want to check the weight on these. Let me take off this Olight thing. This Olight laser thing, it's pretty cool, but it's not, you can't even see it in daylight. So it's not all that perfect. Oh, another cool thing is these mags. They fit both. So if you have an original XD9, mag fits it. And it also, this is the new mag, came with the Mod 3. So all my old mags fit. My holster's gonna fit. This Olight thing will most likely fit. Let's go ahead and see what the weight difference is on these. Just to compare, let's see what we got. New one, Mod 3, 1 pound, 10 ounces. So that's, let's see, that's 26.6 ounces. And the old one is lighter. It's 27 ounces, basically, right at 27 ounces. So, or no, I'm sorry, 25 ounces, 25 ounces. So, yeah, you know, happy that I got the Mod 3, and I look forward to getting it to the range, checking out. I'm really excited about this front sight with the fiber optic. I'm eventually going to get an optic for it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.